don't know what he's saying. This is the best exchange I've seen.
Bro, should we help him?
Yeah, let's just watch it.
Making crazy faces.
Okay, go back to talking.
So we can't sleep until then? Oh no!
We're in Dresden.
Jeez.
That's huge.
Oh shit.
That's hard.
It is.
It's making me hard. Can you pan it?
This is crazy. This is so cool.
That angle is crazy. You have a boner right now.
That red,
Freaky Friday.
Oh no.
yeah, we're going around.
Okay, especially with the rain, we should clip in. This would be sick.
Harness is on. It's raining pretty heavily, thunder and lightning, but I think we're all pretty excited, pretty
Come on.
nervous, pretty prepared. But
And scared.
here,
Oh, you have a second one.
untwist
this, eh?
untwist that.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that lightning is going off.
Okay, should we use the speaker now?
Go check my gear.
This is average.
Average is good.
Here. Okay.
All right.
Did you guys do the check of your...
Let's calm down. Okay. All right. Phone's. What a beautiful day.
It's like massive... I won't even say it.
Fingers.
Your fingers.
What were you thinking, huh?
Really big fingers.
Okay, but we're like up in like basically the highlands.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy.
So we realized we made a wrong turn. We're going all the way back to our backup camp spot and then taking a right. And our camp spot should technically be under this cliff. This is where this is it. This is what we were. Yeah, it's crazy out there. But our camp spot should be just under here. I think just 50 meters down.
Actually, I wanted to play French Run.
Let's go.
I know.
It is pretty hard. It's so foggy. It's like a magic forest. Wait, we were up there, just behind this thing. We were freaking out like, where are we gonna get home? Where are we gonna get? Be careful, dude. Our camping spot for the night on the edge of a cliff under a giant sandstone tower. Woo. Oh wow. Oh wow.
This is so sick, man. Oh my god. Like, I'm thinking if my parents knew where I was right now. What would they do? Okay. We found it, guys.
Oh my god.
We found it. Home for the night. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on here? That's the washroom, okay? Privacy, please. But look, okay, firstly, the cliff. Like, this is just on the edge of a cliff. I can't even go closer. And look at the view we have. Oh my god.
It's a bit tricky to get up here, but this is such a nice spot.
Then, yeah, it's like,
but no
you
water.
have to climb up, and then you climb through part of the forest along the edge,
Yeah.
and then get in.
Oh, watching sunset here is honestly quite nice.
I feel like a dog. You know when a dog shits and they're like.
Yo, what's up? Right, dude.
Oh shit!
Are you filming? Yeah, my ass.
Oh no, I don't want to look at that. Oh. Right, we're all settled in for our night.
The ground is so hard.
But no mats in our little bivy bags, emergency bivy bags. Yo, as much as I appreciate the park and I'm looking forward to it, and then it's gonna make me thirsty, and I have not much water left.
You're right.
That is something you won't get in this view on the edge of a cliff.
No, it looks like it's not gonna like fall out. It's really fly out. Just cinch it down.
Yo, waking up to drop off an edge.
Okay, that's the end of my pack.
Eric is coming up right behind me. There's this gorgeous view on the side of these sandstone towers. Yeah.
Actually sick.
Yeah, that's fun.
Actually sick.
A little scary.
Yeah.
That's scary, but level 1.
Woohoo! How you feeling, Noah? You ready for this big one?
ready, bro. I'm ready. I'm excited.
All the way up. Shoot a crack. For a man with the fear of heights, how are you feeling?
Fucking scary, man. I'm so glad you're like, let's clip in. I'm like, yeah.
Good, actually good, man.
You excited?
So alive.
Yeah.
So alive.
And then tomorrow, we're back in the office. Oh my gosh.
Whoa. Tag. Video.
It's a video. Oh, wow. I don't know. Yeah, we did it! We're done! I can't say that. I can't say that. What was that mean again?